Greetings to all the learners. I am a faculty of biology at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Dear learners, in this video we'll be discussing about health and its various aspects. Also we'll be learning that why do we fall ill. So you have to stick to this video till end. So firstly we will be discussing about health. So health is one of the most crucial aspects of an individual's life. Not being healthy or fit enough disables one from carrying out normal day-to-day activities. So there is a question for you all, why do we fall ill? So we can fall ill because of various reasons, and these reasons are: one can fall ill if they dwell in a surrounding which has polluted air, water or harmful insects. For example, malaria and dengue. Lack of personal hygiene also causes diseases. One's economic condition can also be instrumental in determining a person's well-being. We could fall ill due to compromises in our immune system, and this can also give rise to various autoimmune diseases. Mental health has an impact on physical health. For instance, clinical depression can cause loss of appetite and weight loss as well. So there are some of the establishments related to health. So time and again we keep hearing about that is to be healthy and what could possibly be the consequences of not taking care of oneself. Let us understand why it is important to stay healthy. So it is important to stay healthy as it helps one carry out all the fundamental activities on a daily basis. Eating right and healthy food helps keep one fit and aids in combating diseases. Physical environment greatly contributes to a person's well-being, and therefore it becomes very crucial to stay in a healthy and clean environment. Public cleanliness is important for every individual. Proper treatment of garbage and sewage in our surroundings play a vital role in preventing diseases. Being happy has a huge impact on one's development, both professionally and personally. Harmony and social equality are essential to be healthy. So we should be healthy in every aspect of life. So there are few conditions that are essential for good health. So health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. For a healthy life cycle, person needs to have a balanced diet, has to take exercise, lives in proper shelter, takes enough sleep, have good hygiene. Food forms the basis for carrying out the basic functions of your body. Hence it becomes necessary to eat the right kind of food to stay in fine fitness. There are two conditions that are essential for good health, and that is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. Also better surroundings, or you can say the environment, exercise and relaxation, being disease-free, social and economic well-being, and leading a stress-free life, which is very much important. Now we will be discussing about the difference between healthy and disease-free. So health is defined as an individual's mental, physical and psychological well-being. The disease is defined as the abnormal dysfunctioning of the mental physical states which results in illness in a specific individual and does not take into account society or community. One of the most important aspects of human well-being is health. Technically, being healthy is a state of being fit and free of physical and mental illness. Both being healthy and being disease-free are normal human states. A disease-free person can be healthy, but a healthy person does not have to be disease-free. When a person's physical, mental, emotional and psychological states are in good shape, he or she is said to be healthy. Disease-free. A person is said to be disease-free if he is disease-free. We have listed the differences between a healthy person and a diseased person, and these are as follows. So firstly we will be discussing about healthy. So a complete state of physical, mental and social well-being. It is determined by the individual as well as social and environmental factors. A healthy person will be free of disease. A healthy person is energetic and capable of performing as needed. Now we will be discussing about disease-free. So a state in which there is no discomfort in any part of the body. It is entirely up to the individual. A disease-free person may or may not be healthy. A disease-free person's performance is determined by his or her environment and personal attitude as well. I hope it is clear, everyone. Now we will be discussing about the causes of diseases. So before moving on to the causes, we need to know what is a disease. So a disease is a condition that disturbs the normal functioning of the cells, tissues and organs. Diseases are often thought of as medical conditions that are characterized by their signs and symptoms. The disease can also be defined as any dangerous divergence from a functional or normal state of entirety. When a person is infected with a disease, he or she exhibits a few symptoms and signs that range from normal to severe depending upon the medical condition. Hence, in order to identify different types of diseases, the normalcy of an entity needs to be studied and understood as a clear demarcation between disease and disease-free is now always apparent. The diseases are usually caused by many factors rather than a single cause. When we have a disease, we eventually show some signs such as headache, cold, cough, weakness. These signs are referred to as symptoms. In almost all the diseases, symptoms are shown immediately after having been struck by the disease. However, it varies depending upon the seriousness of the disease. Let's discuss about acute and chronic diseases now. So acute diseases refer to a medical condition that occurs suddenly and lasts for a shorter period of time, whereas chronic diseases develop slowly and last for a lifetime. Chronic diseases are sometimes fatal. Acute diseases, if it is persist for a long time, can be fatal, otherwise can be treated by certain medications. Now we will discuss about the infectious and non-infectious diseases. So let's discuss about infectious diseases now. So infectious diseases are caused by pathogenic microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi or parasites. These microorganisms are contagious, meaning they can be transmitted from one person to another. The few examples of infectious diseases include the common cold, COVID-19, SARS and tuberculosis. Now let's discuss about the non-infectious diseases. So non-infectious diseases are not caused by pathogens and therefore cannot be spread from one person to another. Instead, non-infectious diseases are caused by factors such as genetics, malnutrition, environment and lifestyle. The examples of non-infectious diseases include cancer, Alzheimer's disease and epilepsy. At last, we will discuss about the peptic ulcers. So, it is also known as stomach ulcer. So, a sore that develops on the lining of the esophagus, stomach or small intestine is known as a peptic ulcer. Ulcers occur when stomach acid damages the lining of the digestive tract. Common causes include the bacteria H. pylori and anti-inflammatory pain relievers including aspirin. Dear learners, that's all for today. I hope you have understood the topic properly. If you like this video, do comment, share and subscribe to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Stay blessed, SRNians. Have a great day.